We're about to get a snowstorm here in Pittsburgh. They're saying we're supposed to get about 10 to 14 inches of snow. We'll see if we actually get that, because it's all over the map. There's people saying we're only getting six inches. I really couldn't tell you. So what I'm gonna do is freshen up my couch, little reset in the living room, get that nice and cozy, because that's where we're probably gonna be spending most of our time. That and out in the snow playing with the dogs. Let's get to it.